a big hole.
Ow!
Shoot! No! Well, I gotta loosen that right now. Today we are straightening the cab. The old windshield is busted, and the reason it's busted is because this cab is shifted towards this way. It squeezed windshield. In order to install the windshield, we have to first straighten the cab, pull it that way a little bit, maybe half an inch or so the windshield can actually go onto the frame. And how are we gonna do this? I have the laser set up. I want to see if the middle section actually get shifted a little bit towards that way. I put a tape right here. This line is where it is right now. And this is where I want it to be. So I can clearly see how much I need to go. How do I pull the cab? The plan is to pull it right here because this is where the impact is at. So probably it got shifted from this point, pushing that way. So I am going to pull it from this point, and then I need some cushion. So I cut this 2x4 wood, and then pushing onto the wood is this big giant hook here. Oh, it's heavy.
Take care.
Yeah, it's heavy. So it's gonna push that 2x4 right here. And then as to what pulls this hook, let's take a look at the outside. Just like this, I have the excavator set up right here as an anchor point, and also it will I was trying to pull it with the ratchet strap, but apparently there wasn't enough force, and once it's tightened, it's really hard to ratchet it anymore. So instead I will use the activator to very gently pull it, and make sure I pull it very gently, otherwise it will strip off this cap altogether. The excavator right here is set up in the straight position. I tried to use the turntable to pull it, but the turntable, well, wasn't powerful enough. Digging cylinders would be definitely more than powerful. And yeah, I got the excavator started up now. Strap is fully tight, so you just have to check out the laser and keep pulling it. It's moving now. No, just gonna go very slowly. I just heard a giant sound, and the rope just disconnected right there. Well, we were all frightened. Thought something really bad, but the frame wasn't damaged. Strap is not broken right there, and the hook is also fine. Well, I know what's the problem. See this ratchet strap? This handle is supposed to be on this side. I didn't have enough of the ropes inside to provide the friction, so it pulled this handle backwards. Now I have to bend it back. And I got the rope sorted out as well. Well, apparently it should go in this way, and it should be like this in the first place. But anyway, I got it right this time. Now you can see this handle is not in the way anymore. Hopefully this will do. Let's get started again. The force on that strap is enormous. This entire cap is shifted that way, and the truck is shaking, so I'm gonna check it. Look how far the truck is leaning. Now it's this much away from the ground. Just a little bit more.
Oh! God! Something happened.
What happened? Oh, shoot. No. Oh, it's now hitting the fiberglass. Well, I gotta loosen that right now, actually. Yeah. There's too much force here. Well, apparently, the force didn't get quite centered, and this thing got bent here. It hit the fiberglass, but I just fixed the fiberglass. Okay, looks like I did a good job. Even though that would hit the fiberglass, it still stands strong. So maybe I will just bend this a little bit back.
Because this thing.
Oh no, that's not good. Yeah, that's not good. It might broke the wires inside. Anyway, let's check out the laser here. You can see it was at this line, and now it's on this line. So it definitely shifted. But is it enough? We have to find it out. The only way to find out the cab is straight is actually install the windshield. So that's what we are doing right now. I saw that's how they install the windshield, putting a strain underneath. So that's what I will be doing as well. we got the windshield finally in there. I'm exhausted. But as you can see, this corner is good. The corner down there, pretty good. Maybe a little bit. Now this corner is good, but this, we still have some problem. You can see it doesn't go in. Even though I gave it all I have, it still doesn't go in. It's the seal is weird. So now I guess it's easy. We're just gonna keep pulling until we see this settles in correctly, and we know it's perfect. I must overpull, so just the metal wall tends to move back. So I must overpull it a little bit, and then it will go back on. It pretty much goes in now, but the bottom it's kind of a little bit tight still. You see, the top is good. All the top corners are good. Probably will keep pulling it a little bit just. We got the windshield in, and looks like it's as good as it can be. It might deform a little bit when we were installing it, but I think this is as good as it will ever be.
Many hours later.
We got the second windshield in. I did not expect it to be much harder than the first one, but this second one took us many tries. 5, 6, 7 tries. Finally, it's mostly in there. As you can see, top, side, and most of the bottom. A little bit section right here that's still in question. Okay, yeah, it's all in now. Let's move around and check. We'll probably deform a little bit, this rubber. Around the side, all in there. A little bit creasing here. Yeah, corner is good. So a little bit creasing here and a little bit creasing right here. But otherwise it's all good. Try to shift it a little bit. This whole cab is moving now, and this windshield is not moving at all. I mean, this cab is never going to be perfect now. It is deformed, and it will never be straight, perfectly straight again, but it's as straight as it can be. Well, I think it's good enough. I am calling it a success. We are both exhausted. We'll go back and have a dinner now.
Our next video will show you how we save a $20,000 repair bill by patching the fiberglass.
You can see how strong that is. Looks really good now.
If you like it, please subscribe and save more videos coming.